If you guys want to learn ethical hacking from zero using practices, not fake hacking, then this series is just for you. Yes, I am going to open a new series of ethical hacking. In this series, we will start from absolute zero, from over the wire and Linux basics. Basically, we are going to use over the wire for this series and we will go from absolute zero. And in this series, I am going to cover Linux basics for hackers, over the wire bandit levels, how the hackers thinks, and not just the commands. And this series focuses more on thinking rather than using just tools and gathering information here and there. One important note also that if you are looking for illegal hacking or shortcuts, and if you are thinking that this series is also same as you have seen in movies, then this series is not for you. You can leave now. So here is the update like what is upcoming next, because this is one of the most spiciest thing that you need to hear about. So most probably I will start over the wire bandit from level 0 step by step in the upcoming video. And if you also want to learn ethical hacking along with me, then you can follow this playlist and join me and learn ethical hacking correctly. So this was all in this video. Let's see you guys in the upcoming video. Bye bye, regards, Trend Hive Academy.